All right, guys, this has never been done. This should be a pretty good one. There's no bird catcher here, so here we go. All right, guys, this one's being stubborn, but I pulled the bird's nest. It was in there so far, I got it to the end of the dryer vent here.